What is up, guys? Crazy Ken here, but you can go ahead and call me Crazy because I am driving right now. Isn't that cool? See the steering wheel. I am driving. I've been told maybe I shouldn't drive I've been told I shouldn't be on the phone while driving. I am 13 years old, turning 14 this summer. I'm joking, I'm not actually driving. See, the truck's not even turned on. But I did get a new truck, and I love this baby. It is super nice. It's my baby. It's super nice. And, sorry I haven't been on in a long time. Just, stuff picking up. And you know how it rolls in the state. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys.